Guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair installation video, and today we will be working with Sterlyhair. They sent us this lovely unit. This unit is a 10-inch 13x6 chocolate color bob, and right off the bat it is just so pretty. I love how this turned out. If you want to see how I install this unit, then go ahead and check out the rest of the video, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this unit. So this is the unit we're working with today. This is a 10-inch 13x6 chocolate color bob, and I honestly just love this color already. This unit is their deep part unit. As you can see, the unit goes all the way back. It's a 13x6 unit. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sterlyhair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the install. So I have a wig cap on already, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply my wig grip band before we put our wig on. I just applied some foundation to my lace. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. Guys, so this is what our wig is looking like. It definitely needs a little bit of work, but this is it. As you can see, we got that super deep part. It's a 13x6 unit. It is a super deep part, which means you can basically just style it however you want, and it will still give you a really natural vibes. So this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to cut the ear tabs out, fit it to my head, because it's giving me a little bit of space right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out. So as you can see, the wig fits way better now that the ear tabs are cut out. So what I'm about to do is to cut the excess lace off. I really like to keep my colored wigs super natural, and this method that I'm about to use will keep it super natural, super realistic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. Just finished gluing my wig. I know it's looking a little bit messy, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, and then we finish up our wig. Again, this wig is from Sterlyhair. This is their 10-inch 13x6 chocolate brown bob wig. This is the vibes that it's giving off right now. Go ahead and click that link down below if you want to make a purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sterlyhair, their website is down below as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. I definitely will be keeping it in the center so you guys can see the deep part of the unit. I mean, it would look good in the side too, but I am a center person. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Just gonna apply some of my Sunlight wax stick. Just gonna go ahead and add some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to give it a little bit of silkiness. So this is the finished look. This is it. It is super pretty. I love how it turned out. I would definitely give this unit a 9 out of 10. This is super cute. I love the color combo. I love how the lace smells super good. This is it. Once again, today we're featuring Sterlyhair. This is their 10-inch 13x6 chocolate color bob wig, and this is the vibes that it's given. This is it. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Sterlyhair, their website is in my description as well, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is it. Overall, I definitely love this unit. The lace smells great. It is super cute. I love how pretty this color is. I definitely give it a 9 out of 10. This is the finished look. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.